What's up, Rework Squad? So we're back with another video, an exciting day. Today we're gonna be eventually working on the LS. I adjusted my headlights on the 1500, and you know, as I'm not done painting that, I still have to finish the LS, the Silvia behind me, the Bronco, and the SI Red Civic. We just made another dumb purchase. Okay, so the other day I said that I'm gonna show you what we're gonna get, but it happened so fast that it just got here. We just got it unloaded and got everything off the semi in the middle of the rain and the cold. So here it is. It is. It's a 2012 F-250 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It's got 112,000 miles on it. As you can see, no airbags pop, just a little dirty. I'm not even sure, it might have a tune on it. I have no idea. Hey, for all you boys out there, we got bad bitches only. It's in every one of the doors. So, radiator, headlights, possibly new hood, windshield, front bumper, intercooler, stuff like that, and a fender. Has the other rim in the bed. Well, actually, it's down there. It's broken. I'm gonna see if I get it welded and fixed. It's not too bad, but the tire's good. It's got 22s on it with a dump truck exhaust. Fun fact, got lucky and the radiator and the cooler are all in the bed of the truck. So I'm thinking we're gonna be all right there. Thinking so. Got aftermarket LEDs. So comment down below, what do you think I paid for this truck? I'll do a part of this video where I do a full paperwork of showing you what I paid for the truck. Shipped from Texas to Georgia, 110,000 miles. Something like that, 110, 114. It's fucking sick. The poor Silverado. The boys are here, we got their cars there. All the cars lined up. We still have so much to do on the Silvia and the LS swap. And the Bronco, good old SI, is still out there wrecked. It was just something I couldn't pass up. We keep hauling cars in the Czech Tex trailer. I'm thinking I might have to sell the Silverado and keep this one. What would you do? 6.7 with 100K? Or the 5.3 LS with 38,000. I mean, I have about the same money in them. That gives you a guess.